Good morning and welcome back to Codes and Coffee. Today we're going to be working on this Mazda SUV CX-9 all-wheel drive, and we're going to be doing an oil change. He has a heat shield that is rattling, and the also third and final complaint that the customer has is that his rear AC heater is it's not blowing. So we're going to bring it inside, start taking it apart, and show you the start to finish diagnosis of what we get to this specific vehicle model year. So again, it's an 09 Mazda, and let's get the show on the road. We went ahead and turned on the rear display is on. It's on full blast and there's nothing. So to take these apart, there has to be a blower motor here that's non-functional. So right at the very top here, if you grab it with one or two hands and get a good grip, I already pre-popped it, so it's going to be easy for me. You just pop it right off and you have access to your vents back here. You have the face vent, and the vent for your feet is located at the very bottom, and we just want to make sure that that is opening and there's no obstruction. And as you can see, it is moving. That's fully closed. Now it's completely on the feet. Now we're going to open it completely towards the face, so that's working. So that's just to confirm that we do have a blower motor that's not working, and I'll show you how to get to that in just a minute. And as always, before you go ahead and start taking the whole center console, take your precautional measures, and always start with the easiest, which is pop your hood. And on the driver's side front, you'll see the main fuse box. There's two of them. There's one located here and there's one located under the passenger side, the glove box. So always start here first. And as we take a look here on the diagram, it specifies that the rear motor, put that upside down for you. The rear motor is a 40 amp, and it's located right here. It's the very first one on this vehicle. Okay, and we went ahead and already checked it, and you can see there are no cracks. Looks just good, it's working fine. Okay, so the second place to check now is with every vehicle, this is the fuse box. With every fuse box, if your fuses are working, like on this car is, you always want to check the relays. On this car specifically, Mazda put their relay box right next to it, and we have them right here. This is your front relay for your front main dashboard control unit, and this is the relay for your rear control unit, and it's specific. Okay, so on this one it's not working, so we're going to go ahead and pop the top off on this, see if it's working. On that relay, it's gonna take two of us. So I'm gonna have Mike go ahead, pop that one off. I'm gonna go to the back while he checks it and make sure that it works. Okay?
You do want to get it off. Never know what's gonna happen here. Oh, Jesus Christ! Really? Thank you. That is all lost here. All right, this is how it works. Now you're gonna see how the relay works. If things energizes, it closes contacts right here. All right, so
there's a sticky relay on this one.
I touched the relay and it started working. And I say, you buy them up.
Went ahead and that little gold relay, he touched it, and lo and behold, it's working.
All right, just close this sucker up.
There we go.
Oh, Jesus, this is good. Let's see if I can do this, Mickey. Still working, look. Isn't that something?
Nice.
No, I mean, without, look, I disconnected it, it's still, so that guy's controlling that. Jesus. Isn't that something, huh? Now, we need to go straight in, Mikey, okay? Let's see if we can walk here, buddy. I don't know what they have in mind here, but I think it says straight on, right?
Clips, clips, clips. Beautiful.
Boom. Sometimes you get lucky, Mikey. What can I tell you?
There you go.
Lucky move.
All right, so you also have those relays that you want to check as well. And like always, on to the next.